Hello there, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I am going to walk you through on how you can create do-follow backlinks for your website. Now, if you want to learn how to make more backlinks, see the first comment, but before you start building these links, I want you to know that you should start with what is called a temporary email. You see, a temporary email is going to allow you to go ahead and send the verification for these websites over to the temporary email. That way you can separate your link building from your other SEO campaigns. So I do not want to waste any time. Let's get right into the link building. Hello and welcome back to the training. So in this video, we will be creating yet another 5 links. So hopefully you already have your email open and ready. Now let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. So the very first link will be alle.bg. So once you are on this page, it looks like it might be Russian. We're about to find out. Oh, no page source. Oh, my mistake, Bulgarian. Looked like Russian to me, or maybe Bulgarian is a type of Russian. I really don't know. I'm uncultured in that aspect, I guess. So we're going to go ahead and register my email address, which is chrispalmer@consultant. And note, this is not my email address. This is just a throwaway. All right, I agree to the terms. And we will register. All right, so you will need to confirm registration. So that's pretty typical. Not every site, does that, but this one does. All right, one new email. Cool. Oh wow, these guys just sent me an email now. All right. So maybe we'll go back in there and take care of that, but not at this time. Please open it to complete registration, okay? I'm not receiving anything. Let's go to login and let's go to chrispalmer@consultant.com and we'll do this as the password and we will enter. Forgot password. Email address. chrispalmer@consultant.com. Expect a recovery email, okay. All right, here we go. Let's get in here. So we need a recovery from the actual sign up, I guess. I don't know. I must have did something wrong there. So my email has been verified. Excellent. So let's go ahead and log in. And we will do chrispalmer@consultant.com. And let's see if we can get in now. All right, so again, this is alle.bg/my now. All right, so after registration, and what we have here is a DA43, PA31. So we are on this is my homepage where you can create your first website. At the bottom of the screen, there is a link to our help information, okay? So websites, we're going to go ahead and create a website. Website with own domain. Website with its own domain and full package of extras. Free website. Yep, that's what I want. So this is going to be SEO consultant SEO consultant NYC. Let's do NYC. Actually, let's do it this way. Sorry, my mistake. Sorry, guys. Let's do NYC consultant, and then let's see what they give us. I like black. This one looks cool. All right, let's go ahead and do this. Title is going to be New York SEO consulting. All right, so New York SEO consultant. All right, consulting. And then we're going to do SEO consulting and internet marketing services. Pages 1, 2 is going to be SEO consulting, and we'll do New York NYC. How about that? Create. All right, so we'll go ahead and we'll visit this page. We're going to see what we have going on here. It looks like they gave us a DA43 and a PA29 from the door. So this has potential here. I'm sure you can do a lot with this, but for the sake of this video and this training, what we're going to do is just something very brief here. Can't click anything, which is not good. Let's translate to English. Advertising area. Website. All right. Let's go ahead and refresh this. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and translate to English. Okay, show a link to the homepage. Yes. Homepage link text. New York SEO consulting. Save. Okay, here we go. So let's do title. So this is a weird little builder here. So it's going to be New York SEO consulting. All right. Identifier, SEO consulting. Sure. Okay. And then we want to add and I'm sorry you have to bear witness to this, but we're going to add some text, I guess. Text. All right, let's go grab our little press release that we got going on here. And this copy, we'll go ahead and place that right in there. Okay. All right, and that is going to do that for us. Bold that up. All right, now SEO consultant, of course, right here. right to the home page. I actually like this link a little bit. Oh. Okay. Now we'll send one over here. Oh, now I know. Copy. And this. And done. All right. I think that this should be fine. Let's take this. Cut. And place it more right here. Take this. Bold it. All right. So save. And that's going to be that. So we have this beautifully crafted SEO consultant page with a DA 43 PA 29 do follow link. So that's a good one. All right, moving on. This is yet another one of those odd little platforms. So this is us.tv. Again, we've gone through how to create this particular type of link. So that's something that you can go ahead and do. All right. Fetty, we did that one. All right. So, and here's pony.tube. So this would be a freshie. What you'll do is create the account and walk through. We've gone through this type before. Again, these are different, but the same type of setup. All right. But they are different links. This one is a DA23. It has a little bit of a spam score. So I think there's one more, and that'll be 5. So this is bytube.video. And again, you'll create your account, set it up, and then that will be it. So that will be 5. Let's go back here. Hello and welcome back to the training. So in this video, we will be creating yet another 5 links. So of course, let's not waste any time. Let's open up your mail account and let's get right into the training. So the very first link that we will be creating is going to be mixcloud.com. So let me go ahead and showcase this, how we can go ahead and create this. So you will want to join, of course. All right. So we're going to do our email. All right, username. And password. And then we will sign up. Hopefully it's not blocked. All right, another cloud. People like these clouds. I've seen a lot of clouds throughout this training. All right. So for this particular account, we'll go into our profile. Alrighty. And, oh no, the user hasn't uploaded anything yet. Okay. So let me go here. My messages, update cover image, share. Okay, so this is mine, embed a profile. Alright. Do I get to add anything? More options. Oh, I see. Okay. Share. So this is mine. Okay. So that's that. So let me see here. So these people are all live. So your profile is a little bit complete. Connections, applications, account. This is the display name. So let's change it to SEO testing. Chris Palmer. All right, biography. So I guess this is where we will drop our citation, and we'll see if we can get a link in there too while we're at it. We'll put that in, and we want to make this an interior page. Country, United States. We want to go ahead and fill this out so it does not get suspended. We'll go to 78. And others fine. Choose a file. Sure, let me take a look here. There's little Chris. How about this one? The one I just made for this video. Okay, let's save that in there and see what happens. Are you a robot? No, I am not. Okay, so this is us. Here's my profile. Let's make sure and see if it's got the SEO testing Chris Palmer. So if I upload something, if I choose a file, so if I go in here and click this one, does it let me? All right, so I think we shouldn't spend too much time here. It looks as though that no matter what, we are getting a profile link. I'm assuming this is yet another type of platform where maybe we can upload videos of some sort and put it in descriptions. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this. All right, so let's move on to the next. So we have some more of these types of this, whatever type of platform this is. But it's runtube.re, all right? And this is a DA8, all right, so relatively new. The next one is pt.neko.bar, all right, so another one of these strange, very strange links, but they do follow, so feel free. Another one is puretube.scic-tetris.org, all right, so another do follow. And then last but not least, this is adult, so I don't know if you would want this, but it is a peertube.wivodaim.net. So there you go. That will wrap it up for this particular 5.